Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome back to the Night Gambit TV. In today's video, opening drafts day. Today is opening drafts day. I am going to give you 5 deadly opening drafts for chess players. Chess tricks to win fast in English. Okay. Let's go to the draft number 1 in opening drafts day. Okay. Let's go to the most. First move is d4. This is called king's pawn opening. Okay, black responds with e5. Now accept the opening, then attack the knight c6, attack to the e5 squares white pawn. Now you can think how to counter this much white. White pushes knight to f3. Okay, then black turn, black need to move d5. Okay, we will see how to handle this much white. White played cut the pawn by the pawn. E goes d6. Then the fourth move of white, black check. Black played amazingly now. Black cut the pawn by the bishop. Bishop plus d6. Okay, then white. White played here knight. Knight c3. This is chess trap. Very interesting chess trap. This trap every chess player must know. Okay. The fifth move of black 10. Black knight come to f6. Now sixth move. Bishop go to g5 and pin the knight. Okay. You can see here. I am going to explain and analyze deeply. There is a queen. There is a knight. There is a white bishop. Now you can think. You can see the moves. Okay. This bishop attack this line. Okay. We will see. I am going to teach you. We will see. I am going to teach you. Okay. This bishop attack this line. Okay. We will see one by one. If in the knight cannot move. If knight move outside, black queen is cut by the bishop. Okay. Then the sixth move of black 10. Black pushes bishop to f5. Okay. Black bishop push the bishop to f5. Okay, now knight go to here on d5. Knight go to d5 and attack the black knight. In the same time, you can see here, I am going to teach you this knight attack this pawn and this knight and this squares. Okay, we will see how to handle this much black. I think black push his bishop to here on b4 and beautiful check. Now white has 4 options here. You can see here, if bishop come to here and block the check, or knight come to here block the check, or this knight come to block the check, or this pawn go to there block the check. We will see which one white will be moved. White move is cut the bishop. This is blunder. Okay, you can see why blunder. This queen attack the. You can see here this queen attack this queen. In the same time, this knight cut this bishop knight. Okay, we will see how to handle this much, and this bishop attack this pawn. In the same time, this knight come to this line. Okay, so many attacks here. That's why this game easily win black. I think we will see. Okay, now black chain. Black cut the knight. Then white push the here d4 squares, push the knight to d4 squares. Now easily cut the knight by the queen. This is the brilliant move he made. If queen take the queen, that's it. Now family fork here. You can see how to handle this much black. Black cut the c2 pawn and family fork. Now you can see here. Here is the family fork. This knight attack this queen, this rook, this king. Okay, that's why this game easily win black, because black has so many pieces. That's why easily win the game black. If black plays smartly and smartly, black win the game easily. That's it. Okay, we can go to the opening drafts days puzzles 2. Okay, drafts 2. Sorry. Refs 2 opening refs day. Today is opening refs day. That's why I'm going to give you 5 deadly opening refs for chess players, chess tricks to win fast. Okay, let's go to the second refs. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Night Gambit TV. In today's video, this is for opening refs day. I am going to give you second deadly opening refs for chess players, chess risks to win fast. In this particular chess game, black wins by checkmate. You can see how to black win the game. Okay, I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Please watch and finish this video. First move is d4. This is called king's pawn opening. e5. Okay, attack the pawn by the pawn. Then pawn take the pawn, accept the opening, and knight come to c6, develop the knight and attack the pawn. Then third move, knight go to f3. Now defend the pawn by the knight. Then we will see queen come to here on e7. Okay, queen come to e7. Now pin the no. Now this queen attack this pawn and knight attack the pawns in the same time. You can see here. This knight attack this pawn in the same time. This knight attack this pawn. You can see how to handle this match black and white. White and now white push the c3 pawn. We will see how to handle this match. The fourth move of black. Black had the pawn by the knight. If knight take knight take the pawn knight and black push his bishop to d2. This is the big blunder because one move is checkmate. Knight come to d2 and brilliant checkmate. You can see why this is checkmate, because you can see here this queen attack this line and this pawn cannot cut the knight because they are such check. That's why this game win by the black pieces. Okay, that's it. We can go to the third chess refs, deadly opening refs for chess players, chess risks to win fast. Okay. Chess friends and chess lovers, welcome back to the Night Gambit TV. In today's video, third deadly opening refs for chess players, chess risks to win fast. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is d4, king's pawn opening, e5. Okay, then pawn take the pawn, then knight come to c6, then knight go to f3, defend the pawn, then queen come to e7, attack the pawn, and knight come to c3, develop the knight, then knight goes e5, cut the pawn by the knight, then knight take the knight, then queen take the knight. Then we will see how to handle this match. White go to knight d5. Then queen go to d6. Okay, queen go to d6 and white made a brilliant move of bishop f4. After the queen moves, forking king and rook white. You can see how to forking the rook and king. You can see here there is a bishop here. Bishop attack this pawn and this queen. Bishop going to cut the queen. That's why queen need to move. If queen go to here, then knight go to there and family 4 and black lost the pieces. Okay, that's why this game easily win what? Okay, that's it. We can go to the fourth deadly opening ref for chess players, chess risks to win fast. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Night Gambit TV. This is fourth deadly opening rep for chess players, chess risks to win fast. Okay. In this particular chess game, we will see who will win the game. Okay. Let's go to the moves. First move is d4, king's pawn opening, queen's pawn opening. Sorry, e5. Then d take e5, knight c6, defend attack the pawn. Then knight f3, defend the pawn. Then queen come to here on e7, attack the pawn. Why the queen? Then queen go to here on d5 and fourth move and black push his pawn to h6. After that knight go to c3, then pawn come to here on g5. Okay, black pawn come to g5. After that knight go to here on b5. Okay, we will see how to handle this much. Black push his queen back to d8. Then bishop go to here on d2. After that knight come to here on ge7. Now attack the queen. Attack the queen by the knight. This is the blunder. One move checkmate right now. You can see how to white wins by checkmate. Here is a knight go to here, or no, knight go to here. Now queen go to here on d6. After that he pushed the bishop to here on g7. This is the mistake. That's why knight go to c7 and brilliant checkmate, check, and wrap the rook. I think, yeah, if king move like this, then wrap the rook. That's it. This is fourth deadly opening wrap for chess players. Chess tricks to win fast. Okay, let's go to the fifth chess deadly opening wrap for chess players. Okay, chess fans and chess lovers, welcome back to the Night Gambit TV. In today's video, this is fifth deadly chess opening wraps for chess players. Chess tricks to win fast. Okay, I'm going to give you in English. I am from Sri Lanka, district Mullaitivu, village Watapalai. I am going to this video for every chess players. Okay, let's go to the moves. Okay, first move is white played d4. This is queen's pawn opening. Then e5, king's pawn. No. King's pawn move e5. After that, pawn take a pawn. Knight come to here on c6. Okay. After that, knight go to here on f3. Then queen come to here on e7. Now bishop go to there, defend the pawn by the bishop. Then queen come to b4 and check. This is the big blunder he made. That's why knight go to bishop come to here on d2 and block the checkmate. Check. Then black cut the pawn by the queen. Okay, now attack the rook. Then bishop go to here. This is the big blunder he made. Now bishop come to b4. Now pin the bishop. Bishop take the bishop. I think no. Bishop take the no. Bishop take bishop cut. Now queen go to d2. After that, 7 to move. Bishop cross c3. After that, queen take the bishop. Queen cross c3. 8th move. Then queen go to c1 and brilliant checkmate. That's it. This is fifth deadly opening wraps for chess players. Chess tricks to win fast. Okay, that's it today video. Today is opening wraps day. I gave every 5 deadly opening wraps for chess players. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. If you share your store activity products, I am published on this video. Okay, thank you so much. God bless everyone. Thank you. Bye.